Every time you see a car speeding down the road or a plane soaring into the sky, think, where does the fuel that powers these machines come from? A large portion of the energy on our planet is derived from oil, a liquid that has been forming for millions of years. Oil is not just fuel. It serves as the foundation for producing plastics, medicines, clothing, and even cosmetics. Imagine how important it is to find this precious substance, as it is a fundamental component of many aspects of our lives. But how do we locate oil hidden beneath thick layers of earth or at the bottom of the ocean? How can geologists predict where to search for this vital energy source? In this video, we'll embark on a journey to learn how oil, the energy source that has changed our world forever, is discovered. You'll find out about modern technologies that allow us to peer into the depths of the planet and how this process has evolved over time, expanding the horizons of human achievement. Oil is a complex mixture of organic substances composed of hydrocarbons. It was formed millions of years ago when the remains of plants, microorganisms, and animals that lived in oceans and swamps settled to the bottom and were gradually buried under layers of sedimentary rocks. Under the influence of high temperatures and pressure from the Earth's crust, these organic remains underwent chemical transformations and turned into oil. This process took millions of years. However, not all places on Earth are equally rich in oil. Some regions, such as the Persian Gulf, Siberia, and parts of the North Sea, are known for their vast deposits. This is due to the geological history of these areas and tectonic processes that created ideal conditions for the accumulation and preservation of oil. The history of oil begins with its use in ancient civilizations. Archaeological studies show that oil was already being used in ancient Babylon and Egypt for construction and embalming. However, the true development of the oil industry came much later, over 2,000 years ago in China, where bamboo poles were used to drill oil wells. These were humanity's first attempts to extract oil from the earth. The real breakthrough came in the 19th century, when in 1859 the first commercial oil well was drilled in Pennsylvania. This marked the start of an oil boom that forever changed not only the economy but also the politics of many countries. Oil companies began to rapidly expand their operations, and by the early 20th century, oil had become the primary energy source for industry and transportation. Oil exploration begins with an understanding of the local geology. Geologists look for so-called oil traps, natural geological formations capable of storing oil in reservoirs sealed off from the surrounding environment. Oil exploration involves analysis of ancient rock layers, studying geological deposits to evaluate where oil may have formed. Satellite imaging. Satellites help identify surface features that may indicate underground deposits. Study of historical data. Data from previous drillings helps understand the structure of the Earth's crust. Technologies for locating oil have continuously improved. One of the most significant advancements is the use of seismic exploration, a method that allows us to virtually see the underground structures of the Earth. Seismic exploration is a technology that creates maps of underground structures. Seismologists generate sound waves, which travel through various layers of the Earth's crust, reflect back, and are captured by special sensors on the surface. The collected data is processed using powerful computer programs that create 3D models of underground formations. This method is so precise that it allows scientists to pinpoint the location of oil, minimizing drilling costs. This dramatically reduces expenses and increases the efficiency of exploration efforts. If seismic exploration results indicate the presence of oil, the next step is drilling a well. Drilling oil wells is a complex and expensive process, sometimes reaching several kilometers deep. Specialized drilling platforms equipped with advanced machinery are used for drilling, process monitoring, and sample collection. At each stage of drilling, rock samples are collected and analyzed in laboratories. This helps determine the exact structure of the oil reservoir, as well as study its volume and composition. The drilling process is constantly monitored to avoid accidents and unforeseen situations. Once drilling is successful, equipment for oil extraction is installed. This can include traditional oil rigs or modern platforms capable of operating in Arctic conditions or deep-sea environments. The rigs are equipped with pumping systems to bring oil to the surface and systems for removing gas and water. After extraction, oil is transported to refineries. This is done via pipelines, tankers, or trucks. Ensuring safe transportation is a crucial aspect, as oil spills can cause significant environmental damage. To prevent such incidents, monitoring systems and automatic shut-off mechanisms are installed on pipelines. Oil extraction is not just about technology and economics, but also involves serious environmental issues. Oil spills in oceans, soil contamination, and greenhouse gas emissions raise questions about the sustainability of this industry in today's world. Most oil companies are actively implementing advanced technologies to reduce their environmental impact, such as emission monitoring systems, innovative water cleaning methods after oil spills, development of biodegradable materials to combat oil pollution. In the modern world, many countries strive to reduce their dependence on fossil energy sources like oil and transition to renewable resources such as solar and wind energy, hydrogen, and biofuels. However, oil remains indispensable for many critical industries. Aviation. Aircraft require specialized fuels that cannot yet be fully replaced by renewable energy sources. Chemical industry. Heavy machinery. Oil is used to power heavy machines, construction equipment, and ships. The future of energy will depend on how quickly humanity can balance traditional and alternative energy sources and on the efficiency of oil extraction technologies. Oil is not just a resource, but also part of a larger story that reflects humanity's achievements in technology, engineering, and science. It has transformed civilization, making it more dynamic and prosperous, while also presenting significant environmental and economic challenges that must be addressed. While oil remains a vital energy source, its role in the world is gradually evolving. Thank you for watching this video. If you're interested in learning more about energy, technology, or science, subscribe to our channel, like the video, and leave your comments.